Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join us, the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much to my returning supporters. Thank you, appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video is going to be a quick video. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this set of 10 pieces headbands. I use these all the time, you know, always when I'm doing my makeup or my skincare routine, or when I'm going to the gym. I always have something on my head for putting my hair back, take out of my face. You guys know, if you use, you know, hair extension, you don't wash these every day. I wash these sometime twice a week, a lot of time once a week, and then I survive on dry shampoo. Yes, go. So take the hair out of the face when you apply makeup or skincare product is a must for me. So I use these headbands a lot, and this kit here in special, I love it because it comes with a bunch of different colors. So if I'm using for the gym, I can actually like match my outfit color. Love it. So I'm going to add the Amazon store for this seller on the description of this video, and thank you so much for sending me them for reviews. So let me show you guys all the colors that we got. Look at this, look how many options. All right, so let's try them out. I do have some of them that look like this, you know, they're very soft and they have like the little cloth material here, so it's not going to be hurting behind your ears. Love the red, and these can fit, you know, girls, women, a lot of different sizes of head. So this one's a little crooked, but we make it work. Oh, I love this one, beige. I do have one just like that, a beige, a black, I think. All right, let's see the green. Ooh, I love the green. This, it's, you know, just basic stuff. Like if you use a lot of them like me, I go through them very fast. So sometimes, you know, I just get out of my table with them and I go and I put it somewhere, and I'm always losing them. These and the hair clips, the big hair clips, is something that I use a lot. So, ooh, love the black. So having them in different colors is definitely something that's very useful for me. So that's what the gray one look like. They're cute, you know, and for the price, they are really cheap for this amount of headbands that you get. So I would say definitely is a good investment. If you're somebody like me who use them a lot, I just love it. I can't stand hair on my face or like sticking on my makeup or sticking on my skincare. Big no. So this is definitely like my best friends, and I'm loving to have them all different shades, so I can match my outfit. So you guys get used to be seeing them a lot, because we're going to be using them on our videos. But yeah, I love it. All of them look super cute. Pink. Pretty. Alright, so this is the last one. Here is all of them. So here is all the colors. I'm gonna put them down. And this one, the navy color one, is the last one. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's just like a cotton material. That's how they are. Alright, so last one. Alright, so you let me know if you use these a lot, and if you're not. And this is great too for like a, you know, little girls school age, because, you know, so keep the hair out of their eyes, out of their faces. So definitely is a good buy. So thanks so much for watching. Like I said, the Amazon store for the seller for these cute headbands is going to be on the description of this video. If you guys want to check them out, they are very worth the 10 pieces for the little price that they have. And like for me, they're very easy around the house. I use them all the time. So thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Bye. And thank you to the Amazon seller who sent me them for review. Thank you. Bye.